Hey guys, do you want to archive a particular reel or post on the Instagram? So just don't worry, because in this video I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and go to your profile section. In the profile section, just select a particular reel or post which you want to archive. Just remember the method is same for both of them, either it's a reel or it's a post. Just simply select it and you will see the three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on that three lines, and then here you can see the archive option. Just simply tap on archive in order to archive that particular post or reel. So that's how you can easily archive a particular post or reel on the Instagram. If you want to unarchive it, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner and tap on your activity, and then here you can simply see the option of archive. Just simply tap on this option and here it will show you all of your archived posts. Just simply tap on a particular post which you want to unarchive, tap on three lines on the top right corner again, and here tap on show on profile in order to unarchive. Tap on show on profile to continue. Here it says restore, so come back to your profile section and refresh the page to see. So here you can see that we have unarchived it also. That's how you can easily archive your Instagram posts or reels. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.